West Spring Primary School, End of Year Examination, Primary 4, 2024 Mathematics. The duration of this paper is 1 hour 30 minutes. This paper is out of 100 marks. Instructions to candidates: write your name, register number, class, and math group below. Do not turn over this page until you are told to do so. Follow all instructions carefully. Answer all questions. For section A, use the 2B pencil to shade your answer in the optical answer sheet. For sections B and C, write all your answers in the booklet. It is always important to read the instructions on the cover page before we start the paper. This booklet consists of 26 printed pages. Let's try out this paper together. If you have already done so, then let's check the answers. Section A, question 1 to 15 carry 2 marks each. For each question, 4 options are given. One of them is the correct answer. You are to shade your answer on the OAS. Section A is 30 marks. Question 1. 44 thousands and 5 ones is the same as. So 44 thousands, let's write down. And 5 ones is the same as. If you write it in this manner and match the digits according to their place values, you can easily find the answer. So choose carefully, that's option 3. Question 2. Which number is 1.2 less than 3.59? We should align the decimal points. So that would be 2.39, option 1. Question 3. Which number when rounded to the nearest 100 becomes 62,800? So 62,800 is a rounded off value. Nearest 100, so let's mark up the 100 place, which is here. Let's look at all these options and underline the 100 place. When a number is approximated to the nearest 100, we should check the digit at the tens place. So 4 is less than 5, there's no need to round up. So when rounded to the nearest 100, it will become 62,700. For this, the digit in the tens place is 4, so there's no rounding up. Rounded to 62,800. Now when the digit at the tens place is 5, we need to round up. So it will be rounded to 62,900. For this, if the digit at the tens place is 5 or more than 5, then we need to do a round up. So this is rounded to 62,900. So we want the rounded value to be 62,800. The only option is option 2. Question 4. Which of the following angles shows angle HBE? So we name an angle with 3 points. H, B, E. So this is the marked angle. H, B, E. So that's angle T. Option 2. Question 5. The product of two numbers is 768. One of the numbers is 8. What is the other number? So this number times 8 give me the product 768. To get back this number, what I can do is 768 divided by 8. Let's do this. So the number is 768 divided by 8. So I can do the long division. 768 divided by 8. How many 8? Give me close to 76. So 9 times 8 is 72. Draw a line. 76 minus 72 is 4. Pull down the 8. What times 8 give me 48? 6. So 6 times 8 is 48. So now I know that this number is 96. 96 times 8 is 768. Let's do a check. 96 times 8. 6 times 8 is 48. 9 times 8 is 72 plus 4, 76. So indeed, we get back 768 as the product. So the other number is 96. Option 1. Question 6. ABCD is a rectangle. Find angle X. Marked here. So we know that rectangle has 4 right angles. Each right angle is 90 degrees. So this is a 90 degrees. Take away 64. We will get angle X. So angle X is 26 degrees. Question 7. Which of the following is a multiple of both 3 and 5? 9 can be divided by 3 but not 5. All multiples of 5 end with 5 or 0. Okay, so we know these two are out. These two cannot be multiples of 5. 25 cannot be divided by 3. 30 can be divided by both 3 and 5. So my answer is option 4. Question 8. Write 2 and 3/5 as a decimal. To convert a fraction into a decimal, I will make the denominator into 10, 100, 1000. So this is 2 whole. Stay as 2 whole. Denominator 5 change to 10. So I times 2, and the numerator should also be times 2 to be equivalent. So this is 6 out of 10. To put it in decimal, it will be 0.6. 2 whole, stay as 2 whole. So that will be option 2, 2.6. Question 9. How many 1/9 are there in 5 wholes? 1/9 written in fraction is 1 out of 9. In 1 whole, there are 9 9s. So if there are 5 wholes, then it would be 45 9ths. So my answer is option 4. The area of a rectangle is 42 cm square. The breadth of the rectangle is 6 cm. What is the length of the rectangle? We know that area of a rectangle is equals to length times breadth. So we are given in the question, the breadth is 6 cm and the area is 42 cm square. So let me write down this information in the equation. Area is 42. Length is what we have to find. We know that the breadth is 6. So what times 6 give me 42? So length is equals to 42 divided by 6, which is 7 cm. 7 times 6 is 42, so the length is 7. Option 1. Question 11. Which of the following shows 1/3 of the figure shaded? So this figure has 1/4 shaded. This is 1/3 shaded. This one, if we divide the parts equally, okay, it is half shaded. Okay, because this is 2 parts out of 4 shaded, which is half shaded. This one, 2 parts out of 3 parts are shaded. So our answer is option 2. 1/3 shaded. Question 12. Figure ABCDEF is drawn on the square grid shown. Which statement is true? AB is parallel to FE. Is that so? No, because FE is horizontal, AB is slanted. They are not parallel. BC is parallel to ED. Yes, that's true. AF is perpendicular to FE. That is not perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. This is perpendicular to FE, but AF is not perpendicular to FE. CD is perpendicular to ED. Is not. You can put your ruler here and you can see that CD is not perpendicular to ED. It's obtuse angle. It's more than 90 degrees. So the only true statement is option 2. Question 13. A container with 8 soccer balls has a mass of 3,840 grams. The same container with 4 of such soccer balls has a mass of 2,160 grams. So let me pen down the information. Container with 8 soccer balls has a mass of 3,840 grams. The same container with 4 soccer balls has a mass of 2,160 grams. So the question asks me to find the mass of the container when empty. So 1 container and 8 balls has a mass of 3,840. 1 container and 4 balls has a mass of 2,160. So if I subtract these two, do a subtraction, the container mass will be cancelled off. 8 balls take away 4 balls. I will have the mass of 4 balls, which is 3,840 minus 2,160. So let's do a subtraction here. So to find the mass of the container when empty, we take 2,160 minus the mass of 4 balls to get the mass of the container. So that will be 480 grams. Option 2. Question 14. Crayons are on offer in a shop. So 1 box of crayons, price is given. 2 boxes of crayons, The price is also given here. Notice that the 2 boxes of crayons price is not doubled. So it is actually cheaper, okay, to buy 2 boxes of crayons. Emmanuel wants to buy 5 boxes of crayons. What is the least amount he has to pay? To find the least amount, we would get 2 of this and 1 of this. So $11.75 times 2 and then plus 1 box of crayons price. That would be $29.80, option 2. Question 15. Some students were asked to choose a favorite color. The bar graph below shows their choices. So the title of the graph is favorite color. Each bar represents 1 color. The vertical axis here tells me the number of students. Notice that there's no values marked on the y-axis because I'm just comparing the bar graph with the pie charts here. Which of these pie charts represent the bar graph above? I see that the number of students whose favorite color is blue is the largest number. So I should have blue as the biggest portion in the pie charts. So this one here, the biggest portion is pink, which is not. This tree has blue as the biggest part. So let me check. The least number of students have green as their favorite color. So green should be the smallest portion. So green here is not the smallest portion. Option 2 is out. For this, R is the smallest portion, but it should be green because green has the least number of students. So this is wrong. So I left with option 1. That's the correct answer. Well done! We have completed section A, which comprises of 15 multiple choice questions. Watch part 2 to continue section B of this paper. See you!